Hello guys and welcome to another Carsexposed video. Today we have my friends Luke, Vauxhall Astra, a 61 plates, but I believe is a 2012 model 1.7 diesel. A couple problems that we have to deal with, but today we're going to tackle a very easy job, which is the outer tie rod end. So as you can see here, it's split, so it will fail the MOT, so we've got to take care of that. I haven't got any play or anything yet or any noise, but as you can see, it's split. So yeah, that's what we're tackling today. So we're going to start cleaning everything, cleaning all the thread, spray some WD-40, and then start unbolting everything. Put some lube juice. Running out of WD-40 to get some new one, but that's it. That should help. Now we're going to break this nut loose, and it can be quite difficult sometimes, but it looks quite clean. I can't see any rust, so this one looks quite good too. All that cleaning should help break them loose and remove them. And the tool for the job, at least that's what I use, is an old record English plumber wrench or Stilson, and that is what I find the easiest to get this nut undone, because sometimes when you use a normal spanner it can damage there. With this plumber wrench here, and I have to say this company is an old English company. I think it was from the it was founded like 1920 or something. Really old wrench, but it's so good. The teeth are so sharp and everything, and it helped me a lot, so many times. Oh, there you go. Wow, this wasn't too bad. It's not always like this. Obviously the cleaning and the WD-40 obviously helps. So that's what we need to do now. We need to the ball joint portion nut. So that is a 18 mil. I'm gonna use my impact. Nice and easy. And next, just a couple hits here on the knuckle, just to break it loose. And because we're not going to reuse it, we can probably just hit at the top here. There you go. There you go, nice and loose. Now we're gonna have to align the car afterwards, but one thing that helps is to count how many threads you are removing it, so when you put it back it's pretty much in place. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right, so now we have some Starline out of tie rod end. So there you go, brand new. So we need to thread again 20 turns, and again a good advice is to change both sides as well. So if this one is gone, the other side is probably going as well, which I will do. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We can remove this nut now. Fit the ball joint in place. We're gonna have to push the knuckle here a little bit, and also the ball joint, and that's in. Nut back in. So this is a 11 mil nut. See if it's gonna play ball with us, and it's not gonna start moving. It has started moving, can you see? Right, so I'm going to use a vice grip for this because none of my sockets fitting here, so vice grip should do the job. There we go. Then finally, we're gonna tighten this bolt here, or this nut. So just go the opposite direction. There we go. So there you go, guys. Nice and easy job. Sometimes if it's very rusty, obviously it can give you a lot of issues, but this one was quite nice and easy. Nice and clean. Clean the threads obviously is a big help. And this is the odd part, look at that. Terrible. Smashed rubber. No more grease inside. And that's it for today, guys. We probably have one more video in this car for next week, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.